Hey, what's up? Today I'll show you how to apply effects to the whole track and to the separate tracks. Let's first add audio effect to your track. You can easily add by clicking up here Effects Library and choose, for example, Delay. Just drag and drop delay to your audio clip. You can play with settings here. You can see that effect is applied because you have the FX icon shown. This is a good way to add effects, but you need to repeat the same process for every audio clip. If you want to add one effect to the whole track, go to the Fairlight tab. Over here you can see your audio 1 track. Select it and go to the mixer. If you don't see a mixer, just click up here Mixer to see it. In the mixer, this A1 is your audio track. Click these effects and add delay. This will add delay to the whole track, to the whole audio track, so you don't need to add it manually every time. And this is it, a quick video about how to apply audio effects in Davinci Resolve. Let me know in the comments below if you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.